this is the lecture 35. This time, I will show the demo of the streaming framework based on the forwarding and the unicasting solution. We talk about the code in previous lectures, so this time we just show this demo. Okay, and we need to follow these steps exactly because I spend some limited time on the application level. So if you do not follow these steps exactly, it's possible for you, it's very possible for you to get some exception or problems. So we need to first start the registry server. Okay. Start the registry server. Okay, the server started. What else? Now we can start the children. That's different from these steps. Why? For this step, the pub subserver should be started. That start before the children, because the children need to keep the IP address of pub subserver. When new stream is obtained by the children need to send a polling request to the pub subserver to get the subscription information and even IP address of subscribers to perform broadcast between the child and all the subscribers. However, in this case, no polling is required. The subscriber itself is able to forward relevant subscription information and the IP address of subscribers to the child that receive the data that's needed, that they are interested in by those subscribers. So it's performed by forwarding. It's not necessary for the children to keep the IP address of pub server. So we can start the child. Okay, start the first child. Start child. Okay, this is one of child. Since this is a streaming framework based on the multicasting framework, it's necessary for us to have multiple children. Okay. Okay, start another child. This is the second one. The third one. This is the third one. The fourth one is here. This is the fourth one. Okay. So next, what I can do? We need to start the root. After root is started, the multicasting framework is created for the streaming framework. Okay, let us move them along so we can get more space to show the terminal of the root. Okay, use this terminal. root is started. Okay, when root is started, the multicasting framework is constructed. You can see a hierarchical structure is created by the root. So so far you're familiar with that, right? Because all the steps you have seen all the steps when I show the demo of multicasting. So next we need to start the pop sub server. So here we use this terminal. We have two screens. Two screens connect to my laptop, but you can only see one of them. So sometimes I will move the relevant terminals in or out to show this demo. So now we use this terminal to start the pop sub server. Okay, it started. What I can do next. Now the streaming framework is almost done. Now we can create, start one publisher. Okay, this is one publisher. You must pay attention to here. This is the pub sub server. When this publisher is started, we need to add one stream to the pub sub server. You must say some new message. New message must be received by the pub sub server. AAA is the name of the publisher. Is the topic of the stream. Okay, see, you can see right? As stream notification received by the publisher, now by the pub sub server. That means a new stream is created in the streaming framework. Okay, now the publisher start to send data, send the stream, send high volume data to the multicasting framework, to the root. The root receives such data which originated from the publisher. You can see this child receives such data, receive the stream, because now the unicasting is performed within the multicasting framework. So this is the child that receives the stream. This is the only child that receives stream. You can see, right? This child is idle, receive nothing. We still have another child. Okay, where is it? It's here, right? This is the third one. We still got another one. I do not remember which one it is. Okay, remove them out from the main screen. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is the fourth one. We start this child first. However, this child is not busy. Okay, next, let us start another publisher. So this publisher will create another stream. Name. You can see here, right? A new stream should be registered. Only one child receives stream. That's different from what I said before. Okay, two stream existing in the now existing in the streaming framework. So send the data. Okay, this data is not received by this child. This child only receive triple X. Okay, what about this one? This child receive nothing, still receive nothing. This one, nothing, it's adult. Okay, we got another, we have 4 children, right? This is oh, this one received the data. Okay, what about this one? Okay, this child. So the stream can only be sent to one, the stream is sent to one of the children only. So now the 2 streams, so only 2 children receive such data. 2 children receive such data. Receive the different streams respectively. Okay, so now we need to start subscriber. Subscriber are interesting one of the stream, and then we can take a look whether it can access the stream successfully or not. Okay, this is one of the subscriber. Okay, give it a name because it's a peer. This is peer, right? The peer is registered. Peer is registered. Peer is registered. And this one, right? This is the pub sub server. And the pub sub server received one request, stream request from this subscriber. Then this after processing this request, and the stream response contains all the streams that currently existing in the stream framework. So the subscriber can say 2 streams existed because we got 2 subscribers, 2 publisher. One publisher create 1 stream. So next, what we can do, the subscriber can select this string. Okay, this stream is selected, and then this subscriber is able to receive data from this child. There is a connection between this child and this subscriber. Now only 1 subscriber exists. Then that means the broadcasting is easy since the number of subscribers is so limited. Okay, just 1. Remove the registry server out because I want to create a start another subscriber. We got 2 subscribers here. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. You can say stream request received by this subscriber, and maybe this one interesting the same stream as the previous as this so both as this subscriber, so both of the subscribers receive the same stream, same stream from this publisher, originate from this publisher, right? AAA, XXX, AAA, they got the same stream. We can change it. For example, press enter, and then press N. Press N, that means no. We do not want to continue. We want to get new string. So this time maybe BBB YYY is another string. Okay, it got another string. That means there is a connection between this string, this child, and this this subscriber. Okay. Okay, we can make it another chain. No. Then BBB YYY. Okay. Now both of them change to another string. Both of them change another string. Okay, they both of them interested in the same string. B triple Y for this time. And okay, so far so good. Let us the last process is the clean. Let us start a clean. So let us move out the pub sub server terminal, and okay. Oh, I want to mention another difference from this terminal, this demo from the existing one. You can see during the procedure of multicasting, the subscriber obtained the data through broadcasting from the from the children to them. No polling request is received by the registry server as well as the pub sub server. Why? Because the pub sub server is able to forward relevant registry information, the subscription information to the children. So the children is not necessary. It's not necessary to send polling requests to them. So both of the registry server are not so busy. This is one advantage. The disadvantage is that since the data have a unique replicator, the stream is a unique replica in such a system. So this system is not so fault tolerant, and it's not easy for us to select the child that has high performance, right? So the system is not so flexible because the number of replicas is limited. Okay, so this is one important difference from this solution. Okay, the solution different from what we have talked before. Okay, that's an important difference. Okay, now let us open this client. The client will interact with pub sub server because the client need to get an IP address from this pub sub server. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, client is the user. Well, let's start it. Okay. Okay, maybe this one interesting in this string. Now both of the subscribers have the same string, so only one subscriber provides service. Only one subscriber is selected in our solution. So you can say the search query will be sent to one of the two subscribers only. Okay, maybe this one is a query Java. Okay, you can see this one is selected. It got the search request. However, no search request is displayed on this terminal. So this one is selected. This one is selected. Next, let us do that again. C++. Okay, this one got the same, got this request, but this one is not selected. Okay, maybe this time we can make a change here. AAA X. Okay, so now the two subscribers are different. Two subscribers for this time is different. This one have the stream triple B triple Y, but this time for this subscriber, the stream on this subscriber is triple A triple X. Okay, maybe this one interesting another string. Okay, let us search again. Okay, you can see it got this string. Okay, got this request, this subscriber, because this subscriber have the string. This one has no such string. Okay, let us search again. Okay, same thing, right? This one does not get anything. Let us make change. Maybe this time this subscriber interesting, the client, the user interesting another string. Okay, let us say. Okay, since this stream existing only on this subscriber, so this one does not receive such request, but this one got the request. BBB, YYY. I try again. Okay, great. Everything is great. Okay, I think the demo is almost done. It's successful, right? It's good. And this system, the unicasting system has its advantage. It saves a lot of computing resources, but the performance, flexibility, and fault tolerance issue, for those 2-3 issues, this system are not as good as the one we talked about that before. Okay, and I think you must have understand the major difference from two solutions. It's impossible for us to get a perfect one. So usually in practice, we need to use both of them. We need to implement a hybrid solution. Okay, that according to what I have talked about in the recent classes, I think you, at least, no matter hybrid or the current VC and the polling one or broadcasting one, unicasting one, or forwarding one, it doesn't matter. Things it's easy to program all of the solutions with grid free. It's easy. The code structure is the same, identical. Although solution is different. That's a very important feature of grid free. That's why I want to show the demo to you. That's why I want to program such a system. So next time I want to program online based on the streaming framework. I want to think about one application so I can program that online, so that can prove the natures of grid free again. Okay, now before we finish this class, I hope I can stop. First, we stop the client. Okay, stop. We need to follow the procedure. Okay, the client is already stopped. Next, we need to stop the subscriber. Just press enter. Then when you press enter, you can see the got some information, right? Got some information, unsubscribe information. The register server also got register information. Press enter, press Q, then the subscriber is terminated. Okay, next we need to stop. Okay, this is the children. Now we need to stop this one. We just Control C because this is the client. It's not a good way to stop a process, but this simple process. This is a demo. So for this time, press this one. Press Control C. This client can only be stopped after all the 1000 posts is finished. It takes a long time, so press this button, Control C, to stop it. And then what else we can do? Now we need to stop the children. We have 4 children here. We move them into the main screen. We have 2 children here. So let us use this terminal to stop the children. I think it should, you have seen such case, such demo before, right? So it should be easy. System slow. The server now I'm used is not, the performance is not good. Oh, server got something wrong? Okay, I'm sorry. The server is slow, I'm sorry. Server is slow. Because now I'm not in my lab, so the network, maybe not the server problem. The network is not good enough. Okay, oh, this one got some problems. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's one problem. I think this exception, there is an exception. The exception when that problem is caused by when I exist this subscriber. When the subscriber exist, and I think the exception not necessary to be displayed. So one thread is cannot be closed properly. So this server this children is not closed properly. That's one part of my system. I think when you program, you need to pay much attention to this issue. So that means when you because I close this subscriber, so there's still connection between them. So maybe one thread that transmits the data is not the exception is raised. So the thread cannot be managed properly, so that we cannot close this client properly. This issue can be fixed in this way. Let me take a look at this one. It can be fixed here. it can be fixed here. Okay, I think maybe this one string, it got problem from here. So this exception, we just leave this exception. We just do not need to, we maybe design ignore such exception when the system is shut down by the user. So we do not need to ignore. We need to ignore such exception. If so, no, the problem should be no such problem. So exception is raised from here. You can see here, right? This one, this is the thread. This is the thread. This one, it got exception from here. So it's better for us to display, for example, here, the same thing, right? We just display it, right? Then no problem. The problem should be fixed. Okay. So if you like, you can do that. Fix this problem. Okay. Next. Let us close the pubs. The root is still not be terminated. Okay, the root is terminated, and this one is we need to find the pub subserver. Where is the pub subserver? Too many terminals here. I need to find the pub subserver. It should be here. No, not this one. Here, right? Oh no. Oh, this is registry server. Yes, a registry server. Okay. Oh, where is it? Where is the pub subserver? Oh, it's here. Sorry, it's here. It's here. Okay, let us stop it. Okay, no problem. The last one is the registry server. Is it last one? This is last one. Okay, stop it. Okay, still one bug exists. Okay, the one of the children is not stopped properly because this exception, right? This exception should be processed properly. This exception should be processed properly, but this problem is not issue of grade 3, right? And when we program a complete system, we always encounter such problems. I will okay, maybe I think you can fix this problem by yourself. It's not so important problem. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And this demo is we got one problem, and we will pay much attention to programming. To those programming is a difficult issue according to this demo, right? You can understand there are a lot of problems we cannot predict, right? Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. At least we have already proved the important features of grade 3. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.